Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how you can use System.io for email marketing. Learn how to create email marketing campaigns, email flows, and much more with System.io. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to go to the website System.io and you will land right here. Now, getting started is really easy. All you have to do is just enter your email address here. And it's actually free forever. There is no credit card required. So you will just enter your email address and click on Get My Free Account. In my case, I will just sign into my system and we'll check out the dashboard. So after the initial sign up or sign into your system, this is where you will land. Now you can see this is our main dashboard. At the top, we have our dashboard option where we have our main dashboard, an affiliate dashboard, and a marketplace. We'll stick to the main one because we want to focus on email marketing. Then we have our contacts here where we have our contacts and tags. This is where we create a contact. Then we have our funnels and emails. Within our emails, we can actually create newsletters and campaigns as well. And then we have our stats, blogs, automations, products, sales, and more. The first thing that you need to do within your system is go to the contacts here because we require a contact list or a subscribers list or any sort of list to create emails, right? So you can create one manually as well. I'm just going to quickly create a contact. Click on Create Contact here and you have to enter some information such as the email address. So I'm going to quickly enter an email address here. Okay, then we have to enter a first name and last name. You can select the country, enter their city, street address, postal code, and more. We can even add some custom fields. So I'm just going to click on Save, and a new contact will be created. So once the contact is created or you have uploaded a list, you can go to the email section here. Within our email, we have newsletters and campaigns. So let's create a new email campaign with System. All right, so you can see we will create a new one. At the top here, we have the Create option. Give your campaign a name. Let's call it New. And I'm going to also write the word Test here so that I have an idea that I created this for the purpose of the video. But you will enter your campaign name here. In the description, again, I will just write the word New and Test, and we will click on Save. So this will take us to the next step of our campaign. Once you have created the campaign, now we can simply open it up and edit it out. We will open our campaign and now you can see we have some information here. At the top we have Edit Campaign and Add an Email. Now you need to click on Add an Email here and you will enter your sender's name here. So I'm just going to quickly enter that this is going to be the same as name. This is important information for our email campaign and for our email. Then we have our subject. So for my subject, let's say I'm creating a campaign for a new product. So let's call it New Product like this. Now, we have two types of editors available in System. We have a visual editor and a classic editor. So this is the visual one, and then we have the classic one. I'll go with the visual one because I like these pictures and this visual editor, which is very customizable. Click on Create, and your new email campaign will be ready for you to edit. So this is our editor inside the system, and you can see it's a simple drag and drop. At this side of the screen, we have our contents. We have image and text buttons, horizontal lines and layouts. We have sections, columns that we can add. Now this is our template right here, which looks pretty good, and we will customize it completely. Now, the first thing that you need to do while editing a template is kind of like getting rid of the things that you do not want. For instance, this is not my logo. So what I'll do is I'll actually remove this content from here like so, and it will be removed. Now we have this text here, and I will, of course, customize this one as well. You can see you can select any of the block or the content from here, and it gives you a few options. We have our settings, we have copy and delete. So I'll select this section here, which is the text, and we have, okay, this is the simple one till here. This is a text. This is not the kind of text I want. This is also another language. So of course I will completely customize this one and we'll just simply backspace from here and delete it. And here we will enter our text. So as I mentioned, for me, this is a new product campaign. So I will go with this text. We'll make it bold and we'll change the alignment to the centered. Okay, perfect. When it comes to the font and the size, I'll actually increase it a little bit. It's 20, so let's go with 24 or maybe 26. Perfect. So you can see this is my new heading that I went with. Now, we have this image here that I will get rid of because I do not want this one. I'll select it and we'll delete like so. But I want to add an image here now. So what I will do is I'll click on this plus to add a new content, and this one is going to be an image. So now I need to upload an image here. So we'll select it, and you can see upload a new file. This is where I will upload the image. So this is the image that I wanted to add, and now you can see this is what it looks like. Then we have this divider here, which is this horizontal line. Moving on, again, we got this text here, which I will customize completely. I will get rid of this, and we'll add another content here, which is going to be the button. And we can also go with some text. Let's get rid of this and this as well, and add a content here, which is going to be a text. So this is the simple text here, and I will customize it. So I have added the text, and now what I will do is I'll select here, and I will add another content, which is going to be a button. So you can see this is the button text, and I will change it to Shop Now. We will change our button color a little bit, so I'll change the button color to something that aligns with our brand. And you can see this one here, and this looks actually pretty good. And we can even change our radius and the font, everything for the button here. With the button, this is where I will enter the URL. And this is going to be the URL for my store. After that, I want to add one more thing here, which is going to be the images again, because I want it to be a little visual. So I'm actually getting rid of all of the extra things that we got with the template. But if you want to create something like a funnel type of email marketing campaign, then you can just edit this one. For me, I am creating something different. So I'm showing you how we can customize a template completely. So there it is. Now we need to enter a thing here. So let's go with, actually let's get rid of this line and let's see what it looks like. Okay, perfect. And now we'll enter an image here again. Click and upload. So this is the image that I wanted to add. And at the bottom again, I can add something. I can add a footer or social media, but this is what it looks like. My new email campaign. This is like a new product email that I wanted to go for. And you can see it's a simple looking email. We can even go with different layouts such as the columns, different sections, and we can insert them here very easily. It's a simple drag and drop. Now I will just click on Save Changes and my email will be saved. We can click on Exit and my new email settings will be saved, and we have created an email. Now I can actually create an email sequence, or we can send this email that we have here. This is going to be the sender name, send your email address, and you can see Save and Send a Test Email. Click on Save and Publish. We can even schedule an email with System if we want to, or we can save and send it right now. For me, I'm going to click on Save and Publish, and then we can schedule this for later, and then this email will be published. The same way we can create newsletters with System. It's actually really easy to customize an email within the System editor, as you can see. It's simple drag and drop. We can even customize the code if we want to with this option. We can even add different attachments. And this way, you will create your email marketing campaigns using System for free. So, yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. And now you know how to use System for email marketing. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.